Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about security and especially scams that are actually happening lately with what world events that are happening right now. There's a lot of scams going on, so you got to be more vigilant and more careful about whatever you're doing, clicking or looking at on the internet. Of course, the first vector of infection or of being, scammed is email. It's still the number one way of doing it. Remember that if you get an email from anything that is government, bank, and so on, do not answer, do not click any links. It is always a scam. Banks never ask you for personal details. The government doesn't actually send you emails. A lot of the scams going on, especially with the packages, a lot of governments are actually giving some money away for helping people. And of course, a lot of the scams go with that. One that is also getting a little more popular is text messages on your smartphone telling you that, by the way, the government has the deposit for you, but there was some problem. So click here. We're going to deposit that amount. And of course, it asks you for personal details of bank account and stuff like that. Once again, never answer any of that. This is a scam, and it's actually on the increase. When things go a little more, complicated, when things go bad, more bad guys are trying to scare you and trying to get money. So be vigilant. Some have reported Facebook Messenger scams going through. All of that is fake. Please be careful at what you do and never respond to any of that. And one of the first things they try to do is, of course, scare you, because that's the way that they know they can actually get to you. If you're scared, you have more chances of clicking on links that you should not. So stay safe, and stay safe online also. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.